Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a multi-page website using Apache on Ubuntu in Utho Cloud. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Apache. We start by installing Apache to serve our website. Step 2. Start and enable Apache. After installation, we start Apache and enable it to run on system boot. Step 3. Create web pages. Next, we create multiple HTML or PHP pages like index.html, about.html, and contact.html. Step 4. Link pages together. We add navigation links so visitors can move between pages easily. Step 5. Set permissions. Ensure the web folder has the right permissions so Apache can read all files. Now you configure firewall, but as of now this is optional. Allow HTTP traffic so users can access the website using the server IP. Now test the website. Open a browser and test all pages. You should see the multi-page website working seamlessly. Well done! You have successfully created a multi-page website using Apache on Utho Cloud.